Watch out. It's on the move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat.
How do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive. Colonel Vargas.
Station Chief Laswell. I thought we were on a first-name basis. This must be serious.
It is. I need your help, Alejandro.
Dime.
The Las Almas cartel is smuggling an Iranian terrorist over the border.
Laswell. Terrorists don't cross the southern border.
We know that, and they know that, and that is exactly why they're gonna do it. I need you to stop it.
Who's my target?
Major Hassan Zyani.
Copy. When?
Tonight. Tapped into a surveillance drone. Eyes on. Got movement down there, Alejandro.
Migrants are in the water. Border patrol's responding.
Narcos use the migrants as a distraction. They could be moving Hassan as we speak.
Copy. Where's FBI on this?
FBI's an hour out. Right now, you're all we got.
Stand by. Rodolfo, los migrantes son una distracción. El sujeto está en movimiento.
Parece que cruzaron el río en una lancha. Vamos a buscarlos.
Órale. Karate Watcher.
Alejandro, do not let Hassan cross the border.
Solid copy. Out.
Si cruzan la frontera, güey, no tenemos jurisdicción.
Nos encargaremos de que no pase.
Mira, coronel. Ahí, hacia el norte.
Esa es su lancha. Párate aquí. Escucha. El cartel está moviendo rápido a Hassan.
Todavía lo podemos agarrar antes de que crucen.
Entendido. El muro está adelante. Prepárate.
El cartel de las almas está trabajando con Irán. Esto es nuevo. ¿Y si Hassan cruza?
Escucha. Voces. Yo veo a 4 vándalos. Veo a Hassan arriba del muro.
Mierda, acaba de cruzar.
No lo podemos perder. ¡Mierda! Despejado.
Despejado.
Watcher, the target's crossed. He's on the move. We're pursuing.
Colonel, that's not advisable. You have no authority or assets in the area.
I know. Just keep pushing FBI and contact local PD. Out. ¿Echaste un ojo?
Negativo. Se fue corriendo.
Vamos a perseguirlo. Órale. El cartel lo va a llevar a una casa de seguridad en el pueblo. Tenemos que encontrarlo.
Entendido.
Hassan tiene más amigos aquí que nosotros. Esté atento.
¿Quieres que te mate, gringo? Entonces retrocede.
Por aquí. Vamos.
Someone's out there.
Fuckers.
¡Por acá!
Hey! What
Our
the
special
hell
forces
are you
stay
doing?
inside.
Oh, shit!
El campo está libre. ¡Muévete! La casa de la esquina.
Entendido. Lo veo.
Ábrela. Yo lo cubro. Cuidado, sargento. Párate en la puerta. Hay gente que vive en estas casas y nosotros no somos de aquí, güey. ¡Special Forces!
Special Forces!
You want some too?
Drop your weapon.
Fuck you!
Get the fuck back.
Okay.
Now!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Where did they go? Rodolfo, vamos. Hassan se escapó. Hay que moverse. Watcher, right the corner of the Barajas. Target west to Estash House.
Copy. I've got local PD coming your way.
¡Oigan! ¡Está por allá! ¡Oigan! ¡Los veo!
Patrullas del cartel.
Despejado.
¿Estás bien?
No es nada. ¿Tú?
Estoy listo, güey.
Puede que Hassan esté solo.
Pero no por mucho tiempo. Special Forces, get down!
Get the fuck out of my house!
I'm not here to hurt you. I'm looking for someone. A la verga, no los pierdas de vista.
The man who came through here. Where is he?
Hey, hold it. A la verga. Washer, send medical. Civilian down. Rodolfo, vámonos.
Entendido. ¿Cuál casa es nuestro objetivo?
Estamos en la ciudad de 2 pisos.
¿Por qué?
La luz de seguridad se acaba de apagar. No haz lo que te dicen. Nosotros lo arreglamos.
Do exactly
local.
what I say or I'll
Llegó el
fucking
aspa.
shoot you. Understand? Step forward to me. I want to see empty hands above your head.
I'm Colonel Alejandro Vargas, of Special Forces. We're after a known terrorist.
Gomez, hold up. These are her guys. Hard to tell you boys apart from the cartel. Where's your suspect?
We tracked him. ¡Muévete, vamos! Vienen 2 más. Dispárales cuando se acerquen. Encárgate del interior. Yo bloqueo las salidas. Entra. Yo me encargo de la parte de afuera.
Entrando.
¡Guillermo! ¡Policía! ¡No disparen!
Vamos para el segundo piso. Cuidado con los enemigos.
Burn everything. Do you know who I am?
You're a terrorist, pendejo.
I'm a soldier. And I am here to fight. No. Let him burn, as Gobrani burned.
Oye, veo humo. ¿Cuál es el estatus? ¡Rodolfo! ¡Me muevo para adentro!
No, coronel. No puedo salir.
¿Dónde estás, compa?
Escúchame, Hassan se fue. Lo están moviendo para afuera.
¡Luis!
Algo está cruzando el Atlántico. Hay un barco entregando algo.
¡Fuerza, compa! ¡Aquí te apoyo!
Hassan was taken back into cartel protection in Las Almas. Mexican Special Forces confirmed Hassan is moving something sizable towards the U.S. The cargo could be containers housing missiles. We don't know how many, and we don't know the targets.
To find out, we need to capture Hassan and bring him in for interrogation. We'll send Soap and Ghost to link up with the Mexican Special Forces in country, along with all the manpower they need.
We can't start a war in Mexico, General.
Certainly not. I'll task Philip Graves and his shadow company, PMCs, to assist. Their rules of engagement can help us cut some red tape and get this done.
Understood, sir. Let's find Hassan.
Alejandro! Sergeant McTavish!
Call me Soap.
Lieutenant! Last one says they call you Ghost.
Actually, I believe he prefers to
That'll do! Welcome to the City of Souls.
I've never been to Mexico.
This is in Mexico. Las Almas.
Shepard's contractors are inbound to reinforce. They're bringing hardware. They'll need room.
My base is your base.
Good. Now where's Hassan?
Cartel safe house, 10 clicks from here. Get in. Vamos, muévense!
Está bien, está bien. Están autorizados.
This is my second in command, Sergeant Major Rodolfo Parra.
Le tengo miedo a los fantasmas.
You know Spanish?
No.
You will.
White truck, 4 under the back.
Oh, yeah, hey, tranquilo. Easy. It's normal here. Guns on the street is jurisdiction of the police.
Where are the police?
Well, Las Almas has a very serious problem. There are few here to uphold the law, and many of those who resist corruption disappear.
What about the military?
Well, because we're well trained, soldiers are recruited by the narcos.
Why not you?
We grew up here. Call us los vaqueros, cowboys. We love this place, and we will die fighting for it.
Kids, guns, and balloons. There's a new one.
Narcos use generosity to win over the people.
Even the children.
Especially the children.
What's on those sheets?
Narcomantas.
Cartel cloths.
Messages from El Sin Nombre. Warnings marking territory. The streets are laced with death.
Who's Sin Nombre?
El Sin Nombre. The Nameless. The leader of the Las Almas cartel.
And where can we find him?
You can't. No one knows who he is. But he is everywhere. And this is a challenge. Los vaqueros like challenges.
With your mask, you will fit in well here, Ghost.
Oye, cálmala. Checkpoint is the army. Turn right, we'll go around.
Why?
Some troops are in the pocket of El Sin Nombre. Like I told you, he is everywhere. Cartel is hiding Hassan in the village across the river. Let's hope he's still there.
Team leaders, circle up on me. Copiado, carnal. Weapons out, vaqueros.
Muévanse.
Where are they holding Hassan?
White two-story building, back of town. Todos los Víctores estén listos. 3, 2, 1. ¡Entra, entra! Despejado, avanza.
Civilians.
Gun. Cartel took over. It's a hideout now.
Good place to keep Hassan.
Move. ¡Contacto! Todos los Víctores, avancen.
Dos están en movimiento.
So, push up. Preparado.
Clear.
Secure this house. Go for Hassan. Move faster. Heads up. They're ready.
Room clear. No sign of Hassan. Clear. What happened to the families here?
The cartel brings violence, so they leave. Get ready to move. Stand by. Víctor 2, este es 1-1. Desplega humo. Estamos mudando al exterior. Copiado. Lanzando granada de humo.
Where's your family, Alejandro?
I keep that a secret, hermano. Protect them.
We have concealment.
Let's move. On me, Soap. This is where they were hiding Hassan. Expect resistance. Todos los equipos listos para contención. Preparen para abrir brecha. Avanza, avanza. Despejado. No Hassan. Second deck. Sí, vamos. Let's move upstairs and get Hassan. If Hassan's here, he's in this room. Secure the room. I'll cover.
Clear, no Hassan.
Todos los Víctors. El edificio blanco está seguro. Negativo con Hassan.
Entendido.
They must have moved them.
When?
Recently.
Quds Force, that's his flag.
He was here.
Alejandro's intel was good.
Comandante, el ejército está aquí.
A la verga.
What is it?
The army.
We got reinforcements.
Negative. 03, se trocedan ya.
Entendido. What are we doing?
Covering my men. Once they're clear, fall back.
You want us to engage the fucking Mexican army?
No, Colonel. These troops are paid by the cartel. They're helping the cartel protect Hassan. Hold your fire. We'll dig in until my men are clear.
Multiple vehicles, troop transport to light armor.
Hold fire. Let them get close. Weapons free! They're armored! Target the helmets! They're weak! They're using shields! Grenades!
Todo despejado, comandante.
Miedo, quedámonos en el...
Then we need to move!
Army's right behind us!
Copiado. Avanzando.
Down the hill. We'll lose them in the mountains. Fan out and stay close.
La antigua ruta.
Straight to the bridge. Ronnie's on us! Rodriguez! Cover! Cover! Get the cover and reserve fire. ¿Dónde salieron, carnal?
Dio en el chaleco.
Are we
Estoy
clear?
bien.
For now, we gotta move. Go!
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army.
We can't hold off an army. We need extraction.
Rodriguez, pide la extracción.
Contact!
All guns, hold here. Take cover. Clear. For now. Any more. Vamos. ¿Alguna noticia de Rodolfo?
No, perdimos comunicación.
Puta. Let's keep it moving. Through here. The mountain's blocking comms.
Your man get the call out?
Let's hope so.
What's the plan?
There's a bridge at the river. Extraction will be there.
That's mine!
Army on the ridgeline! Ammo here. Anyone hit?
Negative. Good to go.
Copy. On me. have to jump here.
Can we make that?
Hasta la muerte, hermano. Pinche cabrones aren't far behind.
Where to, Alejandro?
Soap, push forward. Rodriguez, keep working the rest. The rest of you watch for snipers.
Use that ledge. They will be away up the mountain.
Rodriguez, una señal de radio.
Found it!
Escucha. You hear that?
Incoming, Halley.
See, get to a firing position. We'll take them by surprise. Which way to the bridge? Straight ahead, past the hilo. They'll try to cut us off.
We'll have to go through them.
Up the hill. The bridge isn't far.
Enemy position shooters out here. Watch your backs.
There's the bridge.
No visual on extraction.
Holmes didn't get through. Hijo de puta.
We'll radio when we're down there. This way.
Watch your footing here. You know your way. We used to cut school and play here.
Until the cartels moved in.
Exactly. The narcos changed everything. Sniper, move!
Sniper's down!
Bloody good shot, mate.
Army's still trailing us.
We'll gain some ground.
You led us to a dead end, mate! We jump from here! Don't lose a weapon! Your turn, Sergeant!
You good, hermanos? Affirm. Soap?
Breathing.
Move downriver to the bridge. Use the rocks for cover. All stations in position 01. How copy?
No one. Do you say again? You ready?
Radio's picking up something.
Sounds American. Here they come. Weapons free. Contact front. Use the rocks for cover. Army reinforcements rolling in. Move up river. Go! River's slowing us down, mate. Get shallow up ahead. Swim up. Keep moving. On the bridge. Fuck! It's the army! Get to cover! We have to hold here and get extraction.
We can't do straight against that armor.
This is Shadow 1. Engaging the bridge north of your position. Danger close.
What the hell is that? The larger Graves Shadow Company. They're with us! Shadow 1, Bravo 07. Good shots. Fire for effect.
clear. It's good to see you boys.
Likewise, mate. This way.
Graves, we've located a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that. Be advised, we got a possible hit on Hassan, 2 clicks north of your position.
That's cartel land. They have a compound there.
Load in. Shadow 1, stand by.
Let's roll. I'll drive.
You boys good to roll up Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker up, Graves.
Solid copy. We are pushing to the target directly. Shadow 1 out.